with liquor. And then does the water that you know? Party. Today is my last week in Jamaica. You know what's crazy? Yesterday I tried to find something to wear. You know, a t-shirt and tipper. And then I looked in the mirror and I'm like, this looks chilled. I need to dress up. And then I ended up switching shirts, and then I ended up with a dress. Then I was like, oh, I can't bother if you put on a dress.
Maybe you can't bother. Put on a floor dress.
Yeah, but
shorts, right
like a long dress, but I don't have any long dress. I have a knee-length dress. And then I was like, oh, I can't bother that knee-length dress. Yeah, it looked casual. Just a hot mess. It took like 10 pictures while ago. Did you get any good shots?
Hopefully I did.
Go pose for Pets. Pets is taking pictures with her professional camera. Go pose for him.
Pose?
Yeah. Go pose. Well, this place does have good lighting, I can say that much. So, Hope Gardens is Hope Gardens in. So we might make ourselves our way to Coco Jams soon. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do Coco Jams. Yeah, that was what, La Chou one, or if we even pronounce it right. Heck. This camera looks so good.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, so we went to Coco Jams, and I'd say Coco Jam is a bit different from what Coco Jam was back in the days. It was a bit more, let's say, I think they were having a bad day that day because kids had a blast. Like, they enjoyed being there. They enjoyed everything about being at Coco Jams. Like, them did have fun, like the games, because the Coco Jams, they still use actual tokens, so we had to pay a set amount and collect tokens. I don't know if they change it by now, because you know Jamaica change basically like every day, every few hours something is different, so who knows, and probably change it. But when we went, I think the AC wasn't working, and I don't know if the carpet did wet or something, but it did have some difficulties that go on there. So that was that. As the adult, I noticed that the kids, they didn't really notice that. Them just did not play the game. Them, like, all the games there were age level, meaning it was their level. It was for them. Like, I could give them tokens and them can just run on and play and help them with some, but they were dominating that place. They did not need me around them. But my only gripe with Coco Jam is that it just need to, I think it need to update a bit, you know. I think it did need for, I'm saying this from the time that I went there, maybe it changed, but at the time that I went there, I would have preferred for it to be a bit more updated. But I won't deny the fact that the kids enjoyed themselves there. Like, them going with themselves, when them done, them did mash up. So I guess it served its purpose. But between it and Buzzers that I went to at a later date, I think I would go to Buzzers. Like, Buzzers was popping. Like, Buzzers was a whole vibe. Coco Jam was a vibe, but I think there's room for improvement. Also, I think there's room for improvement at Coco Jam. It did what it was supposed to do.
Maybe I look probably like a
Yeah, I wonder which
So I made it to St. Thomas. First time in St. Thomas. Is that a turtle egg?
Their rabbits are huge, and I think how big they are. Look at this one right here. Look at this color. This color is amazing. Look at this. Whatever this is.
Would them to breed the rabbits? I don't know, maybe, probably.
Wait, that thing is black.
Look at the color. Is them the bite?
I know, right? I need one. But I want him to come on. I've never seen that before in my life. I didn't even know I was right here. Of course. Why did they stop? Ah, no.
Okay guys, this is Buzzers. As you can see earlier in the video, I was at Coco Jams and I was telling you that, you know, Coco Jams, it served its purpose, but the vibe and just the ambience and everything in Buzzers just gives an outing. It gives a vibe. It's a total different type of excitement with the colors, like the way how them decorate this and just the way how them set up the entire place is literally spot on for the type of environment it is. It's entertainment. You can have fun, the kids can have fun, and even if you're not playing the game, because I wasn't really playing games, but just being there and the music and the ambience and everything just made it a really enjoyable experience. So like if you were going to Coco Jam, not sure how it is right now, but based on my experience, if I was going to go to Coco Jam, it would be like a regular chill day. Like if I was in the States and I was like, all right, I'd be like, let's, you know, carry the kids to Chuck E. Cheese's for a while or whatever, then that would be like my Coco Jam vibes. When I think of Buzzers, I think of Dave and Buster's. So, you know, it gives a different type of vibe to it, but the kids can still have fun, which is great. And another thing I wanted to mention is that if you had younger kids like 3 and under, well, 5 and under maybe, or 4 and under, and you're concerned about maybe the games being too hard for them, they have games for every age group. They also have a set of games that are located on the upper level that we found out about closer to the end. I know these places usually have a dedicated area for children and younger children like toddlers, but I wasn't sure where it was in Buzzers, because I know even on the first level they have a few games for them, but I was looking for just a designated area for them. Once we went upstairs, I found it. I was like, okay, this is the area where you'd bring your younger kids, the toddlers, and just let them have fun, because they had literally games for them. They'll be safe down there. As not a box. There's not a lot of older kids and adults up there unless they have babies, and that's also where the food area is, which makes, you know, some type of sense as well. So it was a great experience. Buzzers is somewhere that I would go back to again. Like me, like I'd go to Buzzers again. I'm not gonna lie, I think Buzzers cost a little bit more, which is understandable. Like I can see the difference. Buzzers also had the cards, so they were updated. They didn't no longer have tokens, they had cards, so that was good as well. One more thing, if you do plan to go there, make sure you set a budget. Like, I'm spending this amount, when this amount is finished, I'm leaving, because if you do not do that, you'll end up staying there spending a bag of money that you did not plan on spending. Okay.
When I came, I couldn't compete.
So I wonder when.
It's like AJ, slow down. I think it's like if you're coming to somebody else.
Yeah. Oh, then you can drive in. Yes, finally.
Climb up like I never climbed before.
Imran gone. Look at people.
Fly off already, almost 2 o'clock already.
Right? But the lady still can come out whenever. So come out whenever. Yeah, we just come out. Yeah.
You don't go to Blue Hole? They don't want to go to Blue Hole. Oh, they don't want to, why?
No. No, no, I want to go there another
I
time.
mean, another time, Karen, on time, if you did it early, you know?
We could have do both.
Yeah, could have, if you did have 4 hours or so, you could have spent yourself there before.
So, yeah.
And if you do research,
Look who's talking, the person that was sleeping. But you'd have been ready though.
Exactly.
Yeah, you would have got ready.
I'm a rebel, you a rebel. I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel.
I'm finally back from running errands and I have a story to tell. Today is my last week in Jamaica and I'm not excited or happy about that. But I gotta do what I gotta do, right? Kids aren't excited either. What else do we have to do? Running practically. We're almost there. Sorry.
Delta's departed passenger, party of 2, Welch, Smith, Deacon, Barnett, Rodney, Phillips, Enriquez, and Carter. You must meet the waiting gate 9 for boarding. Failure to do so at this time will result in the cancellation of your seat and assignment, and your bags will be removed from the aircraft.
To make some Florida runs while I'm here. End of vacation treat.
2795 non-stop service to Richmond.
Just hold on. No, just hold
Captain
on.
Wayne Pickering.
Alright. How we look? We look popped down.
Watch out with liquor.
And a dirty water that's enough.
Pots, you know, the pots.